we're trying to specify the order in which U.S. different government entities were given authority to regulate airline safety in the U.S. So we start in 1926. That was the U.S. Commerce Department. I'll highlight that in yellow. 1938, it was transferred to the CAA. We'll highlight that in blue. And then in 1958, it was given to the FAA, which we'll make pink. And the FAA remains the same today. So we've got it, and we don't really care about that fourth bullet. So starting with choice A, the CAA had the authority to regulate safety for U.S. airlines from 1938 until 1958. That's true, but the authority wasn't then transferred just to the Commerce Department. That was the first thing. So A is just a misinterpretation. Goodbye to it. Then choice B, the FAA and CAA and the U.S. Commerce Department all had the authority, but they possess the authority at different times. Well, yeah, but we wanted the order, so goodbye to B is not giving us the order we needed. And then the FAA has regulated airline safety since it was established, but what about before? So goodbye to C. And then choice D, the authority to regulate U.S. airline safety transferred to the U.S. Commerce Department, that's the yellow, to the CAA in 1938, that's the blue, the CAA to the FAA in 1958, ding, 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 this matches everything. Again, force the engagement with the highlight tool.